Hi guys, today we will learn about data protection. What is data protection? The ability to control the information one reveals about oneself over the internet and who can access that information has become growing concern. Those concerns include whether email can be stored or read by third parties without consent, or whether third parties can continue to track the websites that someone has visited. Another concern is if the websites that are visited can collect, store, and possibly share personally identifiable information about users. The advent of various search engines and the use of data mining created a capability for data about individuals to be collected and combined from a wide variety of sources very easily. Email is not the only internet content with privacy concerns. In an age where increasing amounts of information are going online, social networking sites pose additional privacy challenges. People may be tagged in photos or have valuable information exposed about themselves either by choice or unexpectedly by others. Question should be exercised with what information is being posted, as social networks vary in what they allow users to make private and what remains publicly accessible. Without strong security setting in place and careful attention to what remains public, a person can be profiled by searching for and collecting disparate pieces of information, worst case leading to cases of cyberstalking or reputational damage. Data protection laws. Data protection laws prohibit the disclosure or misuse of information about private individuals. Over 80 countries and independent territories, including nearly every country in Europe and many in Latin America and Caribbean, Caribbean, Asia and Africa have now adopted comprehensive data protection laws. The European Union has the General Data Protection Regulation in force since May 25, 2018. Those laws are based on fair information practice that was first developed in the United States in the 1970th century. The basic principles of data protection are: for all data collected, number 1, for all data collected there should be a stated purpose. Number 2, information collected by an individual cannot be disclosed to either organization or individual unless specifically authorized by law or by consent of the individual. Number 3, records kept on an individual should be accurate and up to date. Number 4, there should be mechanism for individuals to review data about them to ensure accuracy. This may include periodic reporting. Number 5, data should be deleted when it is no longer needed for the stated purpose. Number 6, transmission of personal information to location where equivalent personal data protection cannot be assured is prohibited. Number 7, some data is too sensitive to be collected unless there are extreme circumstances. Example, religion. Next, data protection laws in Pakistan. Personal Data Protection Bill 2018. A new Personal Data Protection Bill 2018 draft. The bill has been proposed by the Ministry of Information Technology and Telecommunication of Pakistan. With the bill, Pakistan may soon join the wave of new data protection laws that have been drafted or passed since Europe General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). If passed, the bill will give organization 1 to 2 years from its promulgation date to prepare for compliance, depending on the choice of federal government. A new enforcement body, the National Commission for Personal Data Protection (NCPDP), will be established under the bill. NCPDP will receive and decide complaints from individuals as well as engage, support, guide, facilitate, train and pursue data controllers, data processors to ensure protection of personal data. The current draft of the bill has 25 pages with the requirement and individual rights similar to the GDPR. Next topic is defamation.